Looking for a compact washing solution that actually works? Stay tuned because today we're ranking the best mini washer buckets from weakest to best, so you don't waste your money. Coming in at the bottom of our list is the Pure Clean Portable Washer. While it's a super compact option, its tiny load capacity of just over 4 pounds limits what you can actually clean with it. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're camping, traveling, or just need a quick rinse for socks and underwear, this little guy might come in handy. It's lightweight, folds down to about 6 inches tall, and won't take up much space in your RV or apartment. But here's the downside. Compared to other mini washers on this list, the Pure Clean lacks a spin cycle. That means your clothes are going to come out soaking wet, and you'll have to wring them out by hand. Plus, some users reported it overheats if you run too many cycles in a row, which isn't ideal. If you need something for the absolute bare minimum, think baby clothes or gym socks, this could work. But if you need more power or versatility, keep watching. And hey, if you want to check out the best deals on any of these products, I've dropped all the links in the description below. Next up in 4th place is the BJOP Washer. This one bumps up the capacity slightly, but it's still pretty small, just under 2 gallons. The big selling point here is the blue light sanitization feature, which is nice if you're washing delicates or baby clothes. It also comes with a drainage basket that helps spin out some of the water, which the Pure Clean doesn't have. That means you won't be wringing out clothes entirely by hand, making laundry just a little easier. However, this washer isn't perfect either. There's no dedicated rinse cycle, so you'll have to drain and refill it manually if you want to rinse your clothes properly. Plus, some users reported minor electrical issues, and the instructions aren't exactly user-friendly. If you're someone who needs a small, portable washer for travel or occasional use, this could be a decent option. Just be prepared for some manual work along the way. Oh, and if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. In the middle of the pack, we have the HTWXZX portable washer. This one steps things up with a 13-liter capacity, which is a noticeable improvement over the previous 2. What makes this model interesting is the inclusion of 3 wash modes. You can choose between gentle, normal, or strong, which gives you more control depending on what you're washing. It's still foldable, and it stores away easily, which is great for dorm rooms or RVs. That said, it's missing one crucial feature, a spin dry function, so even though it can handle a bigger load, you'll still need to wring out your clothes manually or hang them up dripping wet. Also, there's no built-in timer, so you'll have to keep an eye on it while it runs. If you need a simple, larger capacity washer and don't mind doing some manual work, this is a solid middle ground option. Let's move on to the top 2. Runner-up goes to the MyDyaz HM01. Now, this washer might surprise you because it packs a lot of features into a lightweight and foldable design. It even has a stainless steel drum, which you usually don't see in mini washers. It offers 3 different wash modes, letting you pick what works best for your laundry. The machine is also very quiet and energy efficient, making it perfect for apartments or small spaces. However, it's not without its flaws. The spin basket is a bit weak, so clothes still come out fairly wet. Plus, there's no dedicated power off button. You'll have to unplug it to shut it down. Some users also reported occasional sparking when plugging it in, which is definitely something to think about. If you want a lightweight washer with multiple settings and don't mind dealing with a few quirks, the MyDyaz is worth considering. And hey, if you've made it this far in the video, why not like this video and subscribe to the channel? There's more great content coming your way. And finally, taking the top spot is the Nixod Washer. This is hands down the best balance of features, size, and usability in the mini washer category. It's got a larger capacity, about 4.2 gallons, which means you can wash a few t-shirts, towels, or gym clothes without a problem. It also comes with a spin basket, which really helps cut down on drying time. Plus, it has a blue light sanitization feature, which is great if you're washing delicates or baby clothes. Now, no machine is perfect. The Nixod doesn't handle larger items like jeans or big towels very well, and the blue light feature might be more for show than actual sterilization. But overall, it's the most well-rounded option in this list. If you're looking for a mini washer that actually feels like it's doing the job without making your life harder, the Nixod is the one to beat. If you want to check out the top picks from this list, don't forget to look at the links in the description below. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.